Good morning, everyone. This is Rhett Scott at hpCommerce Software. Welcome to day 2 of the HP Quickstart class. Today's class will be on working with products, labor, and power tools for product updates. Let's go back to part number maintenance. And we're going to pull up the same part we've been working with. And we're going to circle back around and build up awareness on a few items and also answer a question that was asked earlier. First of all, I want to touch lightly on barcodes. Now, barcodes are just too good to pass up and not mention as part of our Quick Start class series. If you really want to streamline point of sale, you want to get into barcoding. And the investment of getting into barcoding is basically $40. The barcode scanner that we recommend that you use comes in at less than $40. Printing barcodes in HP for items that don't have a barcode label on them. We have labels that print out the part number and product line code as a barcode so you can label your own items. We print to lots of different types of label stock, including just sheets of labels that you can run through your regular printer. If you really get into barcoding, we recommend that you get a dedicated label printer, such as a Dymo label printer. And then many of the part sources that we're going to talk about in a few minutes come with hpC codes. So pre-labeled items that may come in through many of the automatic features that are available to be used, you can get those hpC codes already loaded into the system down here in the hpC code field, and then when you scan items, they will automatically come up. When we get it to point of sale, we'll do a little demonstration of using barcodes. But if you really want to streamline point of sale, get into barcoding. It's simple, it's inexpensive. If you do trailer or track sales, there's absolutely no better way of really dramatically improving your throughput on processing sales of the track than using barcoding. The other item I want to talk about, which is something that Bob asked about, was our e-commerce support. We have added many e-commerce type tools to part number maintenance to facilitate our Yellow Hat Web integration. Yellow Hat Web is a fully integrated e-commerce and shopping cart solution for HP. We developed that in partnership with Yellow Hat Web, and it's been out for several years, and we worked on the project with them for a couple years before we started rolling it out. What the integration does is you can have a Yellow Hat Web website, and HP, by you maintaining product data in HP, will automatically update your website with changed, modified, and added product data, and it will automatically retrieve orders for you. If you want to learn more about Yellow Hat Web and that integration, please contact us and we will run you through a demonstration, show you around some websites, and give you a full rundown on how that works. To that end, there's many tools in HP that you can use to maintain e-commerce type data. The easiest way to illustrate those is to toggle over to web format. So we can hit T for toggle. And one of the questions that was asked was, if you happen to be in the e-commerce maintenance form, do all the edits that you make also appear over in part number maintenance? The answer is yes. It's just a different view of the same information. It's like looking at something across the room and then walking to another corner of the room and looking at the same item across the room. It's still the same item, you just have a different vantage point. Anything you do here is going to maintain everything on the main part maintenance screen. I'm just going to real lightly touch on the e-commerce tools that are here. You can indicate up to 7 different part images, and those are automatically sent to the web. You can categorize a part under as many part categories as you want, and that's your standard part navigation system that you see on almost every website. You can add a full description for the item. This would be like a long marketing description that can include links to YouTube videos, images. It has a spell checker. You can format the text, very easy to work in. You can add technical details, so this can be a list of details about the item. You can list recommended accessories, so these are accessories that would automatically pop up with the item that you may want to simulate your customer who's shopping on your website to also take a look at and purchase these items. And then you can add as many attachments to the item as you want. These can be PDF files, they can be WAV files, they can be references to manufacturers' web pages, anything that you want. HP will automatically manage these and update your website with them. But many of our customers start to use these tools even if they don't want to have a website, because this information is all available right at your fingertips when you're doing point of sale. You can hop right into part maintenance screen, and you can use any of these options, for instance, to see some pictures of the item, to pull up some attachments that are technical details about the item. You can view all of those. So the usage is far-ranging.